This is a run through on how to use Credo Reference to research a topic using their concept map. Now if you log on to the home page for the school, go to Upper School and click on the link to the library. Then your next step is to click on the home page. You've got Credo Reference being a very obvious link on the first page there. Alternatively, if you click on online resources here, you get a list of all the resources you can access from the library, and Credo Reference appears alphabetically there. Now when you log on to Credo Reference, you get a number of options: find some topic pages, find a book, do an advanced search. But the one I want to look at is concept map. So if you click on concept map, I've already typed in the field here kinetic energy as an example of something you might be researching. So you type kinetic energy into the search bar, click on search, and what should appear is a concept map. Now that concept map shows all the words that are associated with the topic that you're studying. Hover over them and they'll give you a little bit of an introduction as to what detail they've got on that page. So this one tells us that there's an article associated with it. It gives you a definition, or starts to give you a definition, and the option to read more. We can investigate this map a bit more, and we can start looking at the fact that they've connected light to kinetic energy. They've connected hydroelectric power to kinetic energy, and we can scan around the concept map and look at other things they've associated with it as well. So if I, for instance, want to look at kinetic energy in a bit more detail, then I can hover over kinetic energy and get a definition. Then click on read more, and this will take me to the topic pages that Credo Reference has, and this is a very straightforward one. There's not much here, but it gives you a little bit on definition. It tells you a formula for working out kinetic energy, and then has a few references to other things you might want to investigate. Handy is it's kept open the tab from before, and I can carry on and do a little bit more research. So I can say, okay, I want to have a look at hydroelectric power as an example. Hover over hydroelectric power. Sorry, if you click on it, it gives you all the words linked to that. But if you hover over it, click on read more. Let's go to another topic page, and I've suddenly got a bit more here. I've got a definition of it. I've got some examples of it. I've got some facts and figures about the UK use of it, and some examples of some rivers where it occurs, and some case studies. So we've got Three Gorges Dam here. So I could click on Three Gorges Dam, or potentially go on and look at some of the essays they've linked to there. But if I click on Three Gorges Dam, it then tells me some facts and figures about Three Gorges Dam, a good case study to put in with my research. You can do this with any topic, so regardless of the subject you're looking at, you can type in anything. Obviously I've chosen scientific and geographical things here, but just explore it, click on the concept map, and it's a very, very handy way to research.